Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone battery running fast after updating on new iOS 16 update. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, update your all apps on your iPhone. So for this, open App Store here, tap on the profile icon in the right corner. So here you can see guys, the updates available. So simply tap on update all apps. So after updating your all apps, and after this, the next solution is disable background app refresh on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on background app refresh here. So here's tap to turn this off. So after turning this off, the next solution is reduce your iPhone brightness. So if you are using full brightness, so reduce your iPhone brightness to the half. So after this, the next solution is turn off location services on your iPhone. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services, turn this location services off. So after this, the next solution is use auto brightness feature. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, tap on display and text size, scroll down, and here auto brightness turn on. So after turning on auto brightness, so the next solution is turn off raise to wake. So for this, open settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, scroll scroll down, and here search here raise to wake. So here raise to wake, turn this off. So after turning off, go back, and after this, the next solution is use low power mode on your iPhone. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your some battery draining issue on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.